Hey, hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
For me, it was enough to live for the hope that
Ben.
I think he wants a cheeseburger.
Is that your pig? Ooh. I don't like that.
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're
a violent creature filled with hateful thoughts.
Everybody has. Terror comes in a different form to everyone, so people rarely realize when it happens.
Not the toes! Not the toes! Not the toes!
You what the